Hello and welcome everyone to Marito's Garage. Today we'll be showing you how to detail your wheels and tires. First we'll start off by rinsing the wheel in order to remove the majority of the dirt. Then we will spray on some wheel cleaner. Today I'm using Armor All wheel and tire cleaner, but you can also use Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner or anything else you find on the shelf. Then make sure you let it sit for at least 60 seconds. Make sure you prepare 2 buckets, one with clean water and one with soapy water, also known as the 2-bucket method. You will see why this is important once I empty the rinse bucket. Grab your brush, dip it into your soapy water. Here I'm using Meguiar's Gold Class. Scrub the tire and as much of the wheel as you can get to. Be sure to rinse the brush and then dip it back into the soapy water. One of the keys to detailing is to ensure that you have enough lubrication when scrubbing so that you don't scratch your paint or your wheels. Another key to detailing is to ensure that you have the right tools for the job at hand. I prefer to use the Chemical Guys long handle brush, which makes it a little bit easier on the wrist. Go ahead and grab your wheel brush and clean the inside of the wheel, making sure you go in between each spoke and behind the brake caliper. Then go ahead and grab your set of detailing brushes and use a large one for the spokes and a small one for the lugs. When you finally get to washing your car, don't forget to use your tire brush and scrub those wheel wells. Now go ahead and rinse your wheel and repeat this process on all 4 of your wheels and tires, and then go ahead and wash your car. And this is why the 2-bucket method is so important. Now go ahead and dry your wheels and tires. Make sure you do the wheel first and then the tire. If your microfiber towel looks a little bit too dirty, you might need to apply wheel cleaner and scrub those tires again. Go ahead and spray some tire shine, trying to avoid the wheel. Here I use my favorite product, Black Magic Tire Shine Spray. I find that this product produces excellent shine and lasts the longest. Then go ahead and wipe off the overspray from the wheels. In order for this detail to last, I went ahead and sprayed some Chemical Guys High Gloss Sealant directly on the wheels and then spread it with a microfiber towel. After leaving it on for about 60 seconds, go ahead and polish dry with a microfiber towel. This will help repel water and road grime. I know everyone can see that the car itself is still very dirty. Don't worry, after filming this video, I went ahead and washed the entire car and did this process all over with all 4 wheels and tires. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below.